Okay, so what do you got today?
Hey, we got the, it's back.
It's back?
It's the Boker Albatross. It's the Anso design. We had these, they were discontinued 5 years ago and had thousands of requests, and they are back. So I know you're going to ask questions.
I got questions because this doesn't look like the...
We call it the little hammer here in our, because it's a beast, you know, for a small
but
knife.
this is not the Boker Albatross that I have in my pocket.
Well, it's been jibbed here on the liner on the back black of the blade here.
Okay. Oh, that's
new. Isn't that cool?
Okay. Wait, and I don't have the colored thumb stud.
That's right. No colored thumb stud.
Okay.
Serial numbered.
Okay, where's the serial number?
This one here's 0219, it looks like.
Okay, good.
And this is VG10 steel.
Wait, VG10 steel's like a super steel, right?
It's good quality. There you go, right there. You can
hold the blade well.
Look at that, see that right there? It gets you in there.
Oh, okay. So
when you see the it's a stone tumbled finish, stone
wash finish. I see that.
Titanium clip.
Okay.
Blued liners. Titanium liners, spacers inside.
The spacers are...
Sorry.
Okay. Yeah.
Didn't say that right. Little titanium bead here.
Good. Now, and the reflective parachute.
Yeah, here, I'll shine some light on it. See if it'll pick that up. I can't probably pick it up, but it looks pretty good. I like that. It's black. So, yeah. So, the overall length of the knife is 6.375 inches long.
Okay.
The blade length, 2.5 inches from back to front. Material handle is grade 4 titanium. Again, the steel is VG10. Closed length, 3.8 inches in the close. Hey, and it's thick. Yeah, it's nice. This is built like a tank. I mean, it is a tank. Look at that.
Oh, God.
This is 5 millimeters, like a 1/4 inch thick here. Weighs 6 ounces.
Wait, the blade is a 1/4 inch thick?
Yeah, it's thick. It's very thick. Got a beautiful hollow ground.
Ooh.
You see that?
Well, I don't think they're seeing it on the...
Yeah, well, look at that. That grind. That's pretty cool.
That is very cool.
What was I going to say? Oh, I know. The spacers make it look pretty cool. Now the clip is reversible. You can carry it, tip up, tip down.
Because you get the extra screw.
So here I am. This would be my left pocket. Of course, this is tip down convert. You could flip the clip around this side here.
So in these two holes?
Right here, yeah.
Okay.
But I like the liner.
Okay.
Let me zoom in on that a little bit for you here.
Can I move in?
Yeah, I'll probably get that. Yeah, check that out. It's just beefy. In the back, that web back there is pretty cool. So there it is in my hand.
Okay. So
that is the Boker Albatross. Back by popular demand.
Wow.
Anything else I could tell you about it? I think that's about it.
So it is only available at County Com?
That's it. We had thousands of requests for this again, and so we made it happen. Finally, they're back.
Okay.
I don't know how many there are. There's very limited, I believe.
Well, I think there, not a lot left.
So, anyway, thanks for watching.